Hey guys, what's up? It's Arancha, and today I am back again with another vlog. And today I am just having late lunch. I have here, I think this is manok bisaya. Later on, I have a bowling tournament to attend. This tournament is the Lord of the Pins by the Mandaue Chamber of Commerce. So thank you so much for giving the media a slot for this tournament.
One more.
So it's the next day and I'm here at Robinson's Galleria for work, but before heading to Summit Cafe to meet my co-workers, I headed to the marketplace to grab some brunch. I like their sushis here, their fresh fruit juices, and also the cheese bread from the bakery because they're made fresh daily. Hey guys, I'm finally home. Nag-commute lang ako pa uwi thanks to my partner's mom kasi siya yung nagtuturo sa akin kung ano yung mga ruta ng bus tsaka jeep na kailangan kong sakyan to and from work. Kaya ngayon medyo komportable na akong mag-commute and medyo nakaka-save na rin tayo sa ating transpo. Although, mura rin naman mag-Maxim at it's also very convenient kasi isang sakay na lang tapos door-to-door pa. Diyan na agad ako sa tapat ng gate, binababa ng motor. Pero syempre, mas mura pa rin talagang makipagsapalaran sa bus. Kaya kanina, nagbus ako pa uwi kasi medyo convenient naman pa uwi. Kasi nga, yung mga bus na papuntang Konsolasyon, doon lang mismo naglo-load ng pasahero sa Robinson's Galleria, kaya hindi na ako kailangan pang maglakad pa o pumunta pa sa ibang terminal ng jeep or ng bus para makasakay ng bus pa uwi kasi meron ng ruta na galing Galleria papuntang Mandaue. So that's what I rode, pero hindi siya yung one ride talaga na andun agad siya dito agad siya sa Kasuntingan, sa Gaisano Kasuntingan, kasi yun yung pinaka-landmark dito sa amin. Yung Gaisano malapit sa amin. Bababa ako dun sa, medyo malayo siya, yung binabaan ko from our house. Pero, okay lang rin. And then, after kong bumaba, kailangan ko pang mag-ride ng isa pang bus. So, oh nga, medyo inconvenient siya kasi 2 rides. Pero, yun nga, doon tayo makakamura sa inconvenience, syempre. Hindi mo naman inarkila yung buong bus, hindi mo naman inarkila yung buong jeep, diba? If gusto mong door-to-door ka, di sana nag-maxit na lang ako, diba? Pero, yun nga, gusto kong ma-experience to, gusto ko ring matutong mag-commute galing dito sa bahay papuntang Galleria kasi sa Galleria kasi talaga kami mismo parang nagmi-meet up per work. So inaaral ko na siya. Gusto kong matuto ring mag-commute kahit papano, kahit sa mga common na ruta na tinetake ko on a daily basis. And then ayun nga guys, I noticed every time umuwi ako galing work by commuting, as in bagsak talaga yung katawan ko. First time ko kagabi mag-commute from work going home and feeling ko talaga na yung mata ko papikit na siya. Hindi pa nga ako nakapagbihis. Naglalakad pa lang ako papunta sa front door galing sa gate kasi kasi nga isa pa meron akong sipon ngayon, so dagdag pa siya sa sakit ng ulo. And then, pagod pa from work, pagod pa from the commute. So, nakakaantok talaga. yung remaining hours from my entire day. Yung time na nilaan ko for the commute. Nakakapagod talaga siya. Buti lang may baro ka kanina. And yun yung ininom ko while I was working on the invitations. Kasi right now, we have an upcoming event. And then yung client namin, they requested na mag-invite ng mga hotel GMs, ganun. And they want to have like at least 100 attendees. Hindi pa namin nami-meet yung 100 attendees. Konti pa lang yung nagre-register tsaka yung nagko-confirm na attend sila. So, kaya double time talaga ako. Pero, sobrang happy naman ako dito sa work ko so far. Kasi nga, parang halos ganun pa rin yung ginagawa ko as a content creator, yung nag-attend ako ng events. Pero this time, ako na yung nag-i-invite. I am the PR assistant. So, ako na yung taga-invite ng mga taga-media. Kung dati yung ini-invite ng mga PR. Ngayon, ako na yung nag-i-invite. Diba? Sobrang saya. Pero ayun nga, there are limitations with my work. Meron ng mga bawal. Pero hindi naman ibig sabihin na I will be gone. Hindi naman ibig sabihin na sobrang strict ng company ko. It's just that as a team member of the company, kailangan ko ring i-consider na meron kaming clients rin. And I will not be allowed to promote or feature any products, services, any promotions made by a competitor of our clients. So, ayun nga. Pero so far naman, wala naman akong natatanggap ng mga invitations for promotions, ganun. So, goods lang naman. Ang bigatin rin naman kasi ng mga clients namin. So, yung mga competitors nila, bigatin rin. And so far, wala naman ganun. Guys, we got a token pala from Newstar. Kasi kanina, pumunta kami ng Newstar because they had a press preview of their beloved celebrations or yung bridal fair nila. And this was their token. So, buksan natin siya. Wait lang, lagay ko lang kayo dito. Wait. Let's check. No. So, kanina pala, we were at the press preview. Marami akong friends na pumunta doon, yung mga taga-media. And, sobrang funny kasi, ang daming nakapansin na medyo hindi na ako masyadong pumunta sa mga ibang events. Kasi nga, yun nga, ever since I got my job, I lay low from accepting invites kasi nga busy sa work. And yung iba pa sa kanila hindi alam may trabaho na pala ako, and I'm working for a PR agency. So kanina ko palang nasabi sa kanila na I'm working with the company that I'm in now. So ayun. Lulululu. Yummy yarn. So they're chocolates pala. Thank you so much, Newstar. And speaking of, kanina pala, yung pinuntahan naming press preview is for the bridal fair, and they will feature the designs. Actually, bukas pa siya talaga, yung bridal fair. And they will feature designs from Francis Lipiran. And also, I think on the 23rd naman yung designs ng mga Cebuano fashion designers. It's very exciting, pero hindi na ako pupunta ulit doon. Kasi to tell you honestly guys, this week parang 3 times ata ako pumunta sa Newstar.
Hey guys, what's up? Good morning. It's Friday and I am getting ready for my day. Actually, later I need to report to Summit because I have work today, like face-to-face. I will be meeting my co-workers because later tonight is the event of our client, and we've been planning on this for weeks now. Well, at least ever since I joined the team. And before we go to work, I need to be at my 9 a.m. appointment at Beauty and Brains Clinic. It's been a month since It's been a month since I got back because last month I never really had the chance to visit the clinic kasi nga noong August sobrang busy. I was busy with my graduation, the preparation for it, and then we were also in Manila with my family for my graduation. And then prior to that, I was also busy with a lot of events, and then I was also already getting interviewed for the job. I applied for the job. So bago pa man ako nakapag-graduate, I was already applying for the job that I have now. And I started first week of September. So, mag-1 month pa lang ako. Kaya I'm very excited to share this with you. To share this day with you. Kasi this is my first event. And medyo jam-packed rin yung day natin today. Right now, I will not apply heavy makeup kasi nga mamaya pa yung event and I'm planning to do my makeup like freshen up lang naman. Hindi ako mag-heavy makeup mamaya kasi hindi naman tayo yung host, hindi naman tayo yung keynote speakers. Wala naman tayo masyadong role doon except for the registration. Although I will be the first one meeting, like I will be the front line meeting these guests. Kaya I have to look presentable rin, but hindi rin naman necessary na I will look glammed. Kaya light makeup lang. Mamaya i-retouch ko na lang yung makeup ko. Right now, I'll just apply I just applied sunscreen and then nag-eyebrow gel lang ako. This is the Bay Free Cosmetics Thickening Eyebrow Gel Mascara. Ito lang siya. Ang puti na mukha. And then wait guys, I have to share this with you kasi I'm very happy with this. Waiting po. I have a tote bag from Potato Corner kasi yesterday I attended their event. It was for the launching or like the grand opening of Potato Corner XP at SM City Cebu, and I was one of the influencers who were invited to the event. I'm super happy. I met up with my friends, yung mga iba kong influencer friends na matagal ko nang hindi nakikita, especially si JC. I also had so much fun. Ang gaganda ng giveaways nila other than this tote bag. And then this tote bag, this will be the successor to my Hawker-chan tote bag. Kasi yung Hawker-chan tote bag ko, yun yung ginagamit ko for work usually kasi kasya yung laptop ko doon. And none of my regular bags, like yung mga leather kong bags, none of them are big enough to fit my laptop. Kaya yung mga tote bags from events yung ginagamit ko. And then yung pinaka-favorite ko, yung Hawker-chan kasi maganda yung quality ng canvas niya. And it's also big enough na magkakasya yung laptop ko. I'm just finishing up and then magbubuk lang ako ng motor papunta sa clinic kasi medyo malayo siya. It's in the city. Right now, I'm in Mandaue. Kasi nga, pag may work ako, sabay ko siya iwan. Walang makaka-look after her doon. Because everyone's busy. My brother, my cousin, they have school. Tapos yung mom ko, she has work. So, I'm finally here at Beauty and Brains. Today, we are going to get, saan na ba yan? Ito, underarms. And then this is what I usually get. So this is the price or the date.
So guys, we're here. Finally here. I'm gonna get diode for my underarms. I grew out my armpit hairs for this. I'm so excited. This is my first time getting a diode here in Beauty and Brains. And let's check out their service.
Tapos na, it was very quick. So after this, I'm going to find a coffee shop and then go to Summit. And then meet up with my co-workers and prepare for the event later. Look guys, see my armpits. It's kumikinang ina. Therapy day. Hey guys, so what's up? we are in my old room. So this is, so right now we're in our family home kasi we're gonna stay here for overnight lang because my mom misses us. Kaya dito lang muna kami, and then I'm gonna show you the things that I bought from the thrift store earlier, and I am so happy with this purchase. I think I bought a total of 5 items and it only costed around 385. Medyo mahal siya, but I'm gonna tell you in advance that I bought shoes. So, medyo exciting siya, okay? And very exciting pa because 2-digit lang yung price ng shoes na nabili ko. Wait lang, I'm gonna transfer here kasi ang dilim ko doon. So, I purchased all of these in one store, obviously, sa Fabulosa, Talamban, and it's one of my favorite thrift stores doon sa area na yun, like Mandaue, Talamban area. So, let's first start with the clothing, with the clothes that I bought. And may binila akong isa. Ito, I'm gonna show you this one first. This one is for Mama. Mommy suggested na ito yung mga clothes na bagay na for Mama. Mga kaftan na peg. So I bought this for her. This is only 100 pesos. And then, I found this. It's so cute. It's knit. Ayan siya. I love the color combination. Orange, pink, purple. It's like this. 70 pesos only. And maganda yung pagkakanit niya. Hindi pa siya nagsasnag. Wala pang loose na thread whatsoever. And then the third one is this. Knit pa rin siya. Oh my gosh. Is this a stain? Hindi ko lang napansin. Oh wait. I think it's this one. I might wear this tomorrow for a brunch event with my media friends. I think it will suit well with, you know, with the vibe of everything. Pero parang mas bet ko to, but I think it's parang hindi siya appropriate for the event tomorrow. Kaya siguro this one na lang, or the third one. This one, I like the vibe of this. So wait lang. I don't know where okay. It's this top. Para siyang very early 2000s na top. Or like 80s. I don't know. I can't really tell. But I like how unique the cut is. And then yung pattern niya. I like the color. Tapos, let's move on to the shoes. So, I bought these ballet flats. And it's only 75 pesos. Only 75 pesos. And tingnan nyo naman, ano yung brand? Coach, guys. Coach. Complete pa yung emblem niya sa likod. Medyo dirty lang nga siya. But it's only 75 pesos. And it's in a very vibrant yellow color. And in my previous vlog, yung CBS vlog ko, I also did a thrift store haul. And marami akong nabili doon na mga citrus colored items. Like yellow, orange, green. Like very vibrant colors. And I think this is like a really good addition to my collection of like vibrant citrus. So I'm very excited to wear this, and I'm also very excited to wash this.
Hey guys, it's the next day and I'm off to Cicada to have brunch with my media friends. This is for the launch of their brunch menu here at Cicada, located at circa 1900 Casa Dos. It was my first time here, that's why when I arrived, I immediately took photos and videos to capture the beautiful view of circa 1900, especially this poolside, and of course this beautiful balcony, diba? Lakas maka mayaman. I'm off to Beauty and Brains for a facial. It's so early, but I'm so glad I'm back. And just like that, we are back again at Beauty and Brains. Walang kamatayang Beauty and Brains. But thank you so much kasi inaalagaan talaga nila yung slimming and pampakinis journey ko. So this time, nagpa-facial lang ako. Very, very quick lang. And I made a mistake of booking a very early appointment. 8 a.m. to guys. And then yung work ko pala is still at 2 p.m. Hindi ko in-expect yun. Kaya right after that, pumunta ako sa Ayala and had a quick brunch doon sa Army Navy. And then after work, inalok kami ng client namin for dinner.
ayun, next day ulit, nandito tayo ngayon sa Danao para i-process yung license natin. And after that, kumain lang kami kasi sobrang pagod sa biyahe. And that is it for our vlog today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And I'm really sorry na sobrang daming nangyari sa vlog na to. At misa ko na lang talaga lahat. Kasi sobrang tagal ko rin nawala. Exactly 2 weeks, diba? Last vlog ko. And ayun, I really wanna make it up to you guys. And I hope you enjoyed it. And I will make sure to upload more. And I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye!